Today, we're diving into a review of Magnifi, an online investing platform that brings a unique twist to the world of brokerage services with its conversational AI assistant. In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know about Magnifi, including its features, fees, and how well its AI assistant actually works. While this concept is innovative, it also comes with its own set of challenges, which we'll get into in more detail later. So, let's see if this platform is right for you. At the core of Magnifi is its AI assistant, which acts as a personal investment guide. This assistant allows you to ask questions about your investments and provides insights into your portfolio. You can ask the AI questions like, "How should I invest $1,000?" or "Compare these three stocks," and it will generate a response based on your portfolio and the current market data. However, while the idea of using AI to assist with investing sounds promising, it's not without its limitations. Users have reported that the assistant often provides very basic answers and might not fully address more complex investment queries. One of the standout features of the AI assistant is its ability to analyze portfolios from other accounts that you link to Magnifi. This means you can consolidate and manage your investments in one place. When it comes to investment options, Magnifi gives you access to over 15,000 stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. While this range is decent, it doesn't offer as many asset types as some larger brokerage platforms. One advantage Magnifi does offer is the ability to link other brokerage accounts. So, even if you're not planning to trade exclusively with Magnifi, you can still use the platform's AI assistant to help manage and monitor accounts you have with other brokers like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Magnifi uses a subscription model instead of charging commissions for trades, which is a unique approach compared to other brokers that typically take fees from individual trades. The subscription costs $14 per month if paid monthly, or $11 per month if you choose to pay annually. If you're a beginner looking for basic guidance, the subscription might be worth it. But for more experienced investors who need in-depth analysis, the fees might not feel justified. Magnifi has a mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices, which allows users to access the AI assistant and manage their portfolios on the go. The app has received mixed reviews from users, with some praising its ease of use and others pointing out bugs and lack of functionality. Users have reported issues with the app's responsiveness, and some have mentioned that the AI assistant struggles to answer more nuanced questions. Magnifi markets itself as a platform that simplifies the research process by using AI to answer investment-related questions. You can ask the AI questions about investment strategies, market trends, or specific stocks, and it will give you answers based on the data it pulls. While this sounds great in theory, the execution has its flaws. Many users have reported that the AI assistant's responses are often shallow, only providing surface-level insights that don't really help with more in-depth investment strategies. On the plus side, Magnifi does offer some educational resources, such as articles on how interest rates affect portfolios or tips on using ETFs. When it comes to customer service, Magnifi doesn't have a wide range of contact options. You can email their support team, but they don't offer live chat or phone support, which can be a downside for users who prefer more immediate help. On the security front, Magnifi is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and its broker-dealer is APEX Clearing Corp. Magnifi brings something new to the table with its conversational AI assistant, and if you're someone who values this type of technology, it might be worth exploring. But it's important to keep in mind that the AI assistant is still in its early stages and may not provide the level of guidance or insight that more advanced traders require. The subscription fee is another consideration, as it may not feel justified if you're looking for more than just basic assistance. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.